Let's see how to make rounded corners in Premiere Pro. So this is my still image. I want to round corner this image. So I'm selecting the image clip and going to effect controls, and here scaling this image 80%. So here we can see my image is now smaller. Now go to effects and here search for roughen edge and add this roughen edge effect to your clip. After selecting your clip, go to effect controls and here click on edge type and select cut, and then border I'm giving here 200%, and then edge sharpness I'm giving here 5, and then freckle influence give here 0. And now we can see my image has rounded border. If you want to change border radius, just increase this border value and your border radius will increase. You can also adjust this border sharpness just like this. That's it.